Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. It is my birthday week, so get ready for some surprises. That's right. I'm going to be announcing my giveaway today, and it is a box of palettes. So stay tuned to the end to find the word that you need to leave in the comments to get you entered in to the contest. It is a box full of palettes, and it's all kinds of palettes from different places and different seasons and different reasons. So stay tuned till the end to get the magic word or phrase, and we will get you entered into my birthday giveaway, and the winner will be drawn 1 week from today. So very exciting news. But besides that, it's my Boxycharm Luxe video. Woo woo. So also, to be part of the giveaway, please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. And this box is heavy AF. So I don't like to peek, so let's get into it and see what we've got. I don't know what's in here. I'm very excited. And this is what it looks like inside. Let's see if I can get this lid to stay open. There we go. Let's see what we have. We have a card. Oh, and I have to put I'm gonna see if I can do it without my glasses today. I'm a little vain. I don't want to mess up my pretty makeup. So we've got a bunch of things in here, and it's Dare to Dazzle. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things in here. That's a lot. That's a good amount for this $49.99 box. Let's call it 50. So let's see what's in here. First off, I'm not going to try to hide it till the end. It is a palette. It is from Ciate. And it is I am a woman palette. And it says, I am a woman, what's your superpower? So let's get in here and take a look and see what it looks like. And it says, this is a stunning range of 24 complimentary eyeshadows named after amazing women throughout history who inspire us. Create an array of eyeshadow looks and feel ready to take on the day with this empowering palette. And let me get my calculator because we like to add up the value. And this is a $45 palette. It's got like a little booklet. Oh, it tells about like little bits of history about the women that the things are named after. And it's actually, these colors are right up my alley lately. We've got some beautiful cool tone colors in here. This purple right here is a Amelia Robinson, and that's just beautiful. And then the shimmers always grab my attention. Junko Tabe and Ella Fitzgerald. Ruth Bader Ginsburg is a nice neutral color. We miss her. RBG. Oh, we don't need that. But anyway, this is a very beautiful palette, and I will use this palette for like some regular everyday kind of looks. It's very nice. And Ciate is not bad stuff. It's not bad at all. Could be worse. Could be that weird PVM or whatever it is. The next up we have is a NARS blush. And it is in the most popular color, and some people aren't saying it on YouTube. It's called Orgasm. Maybe I'll be demonetized for that, but I'm just going to say it the one time. And it's got a beautiful soft feel packaging to it. And the color is, I've always wanted this color blush. It's gorgeous. It looks a lot like this blush that I use all the time. It's like a little bit lighter version of this. So I'm very excited to have this blush that gives you a flush. Very cool, and that is $30. Next up we have the Luxe Florals brush set. Soar into summer with a new brush set featuring 4 brushes, a sponge, a pouch, and it includes the 219 eyeliner brush, 205 tapered blending brush, the 213 eyeshadow brush, and the 211 concealer brush, a detailed blending sponge, and a pastel purple pouch. And this pouch color is right up my alley. It's the tiniest sponge, but it's so cute. And these are just really beautiful looking brushes. And Luxe makes a good brush. I mean, yeah, I got some fancy Sonia G and rougher brushes, but I still like some Luxe too. That's what I'm saying. It's good stuff. I look forward to using those. Are they made in America? I don't know. Where are they made? I'll have to look it up. I'm doing an America USA All-American Challenge. And let's see, those were $40. So I'm doing this also on July 3rd. I'm doing this USA challenge. I don't know, maybe I'll do it, maybe I won't. Because it's hard to find like brushes and stuff that's made in the USA. Next up is from Avant Skincare. This looks a little beat up, but that's okay. This is a lip serum designed to simultaneously plump and nourish the lips. Hyaluronic acid works to intensely hydrate, plump, and ooh, it's like a little lip gloss. To plump and balance moisture levels without feeling sticky. Lactic acid contributes to lightening the pigmentation and nourishing the lips effectively. $122? No. No. I just no. There's no way. Avant stuff is always priced super high. I don't know if it's worth it or not. But $122? No. Just no. I don't even know if I'm going to use it. It's just no. Next up is from Moxie Lash. I'm really excited about this. This is a Sassy Luxe bundle. It says, get ready to ditch your glue-on lashes for good and level up your lash game with a curated collection just for you. The bundle includes Sassy 5 Mag Lash, mini black magnetic eyeliner, removable swabbies, and a zipper pouch to keep your Maxi Lash products organized for home or travel. $90. We're at $327 so far. This is a nice little mesh pouch. Let's take a look at these. This is the magnetic eyeliner removing cotton swabs. That's nice. You get 30 of them. This tells you about the lash set. Okay, this is $90. Look at this size lash glue. I'm just ripping the box open because it's just for me. But I mean, for $90 value, you think they could give us more than a Barbie size amount of liner. Very small. Very small. And then the lashes themselves. Oh, these are really pretty. They're Sassy lashes. And maybe I'll be able to put them on my eyes. We are going to give it a go. I'm always down for trying magnetic lashes again and again, whether I succeed or not. So we're at $327 right now for the value. And we still have 3 things left in my box. Next up is from First Aid Beauty. You can't go wrong with First Aid Beauty. It's good for almost everybody. There's just a few people it's not good for, but for the most part, it's really good. And this is a gentle foaming face cleanser, lifts away dirt, oil, and debris. Safe for sensitive skin. And it says, an ultra gentle daily cleanser with self-foaming technology to clean skin and pores, leaving it soft and moisturized, never tight or dry. The oil-free pH balanced formula includes a mild apple-derived amino acid, a natural cleansing agent, and a skin-soothing ingredient, colloidal oatmeal, aloe, and bisabolol. Free from sulfates, artificial fragrances, dyes, alcohol, and other harsh ingredients and chemicals. This is $22. All right, which is really nice because First Aid products are just high class. They're just classy. I think they're classy. Next up is from Dr. Brandt. It is the Say I Love You triple antioxidant face cream. I think they did the little rainbow packaging for Pride, is what I understand. This antioxidant rich moisturizer provides skin with 12 hours of protection from damaging free radicals and external aggressors. External aggressors? Is this going to put up some defense from the natural offense of the world trying to hurt my skin? It's formulated with a revolutionary A3 power, a dynamic shield boosted with antioxidant, anti-stress ingredients to help preserve a youthful appearance. Let's see, let me see. $64. We're at $4.13. Not too shabby. And last but not least, the box is gonna fall over, is a big ass bottle of hand wash. And it is sealed for my protection. And we go through hand wash like crazy here. Let's see what they say about this. This is Smith's French Dublin Fresh Green Leaves Aromatic Hand Wash. This invigorating hand wash is power-packed with uplifting essences, lovingly made in Ireland. Oh, I spent some time in Ireland, I did. It was a fantastic country. And enriched with local sourced ingredients that helps clear the mind, energize, and inspire. $25. So my box value is $438, which is fantastic. And let's recap what we got. We got the hand wash. We got the moisturizer. We got this insane lip thing. We got this beautiful face wash. We got these crazy lashes. We got some Luxe brushes. We got a NARS blush. And we got a Ciate palette. I think this is a great Boxy Luxe. And it's sad that it took so long for me to get it, because it's now the freaking end of the month. But anyway, I got it, and it's a really good box. So it was totally worth the wait. And now, I bet you're waiting for the secret phrase or words that you have to put into the comments to get entered in for the birthday bash box of beauty, the palette box. You have to use the phrase enter me, and you have to tell me what kind of present you would get for me for my birthday. So what kind of present would you get for me for my birthday? I would like to know. If you could give me anything, you don't have to give me anything, but if you could give me a present, what would you give me? And it could be anything in the world. You know, you let your imagination run wild and free. This contest will be for people who are 18 years and older. We have only the ability to mail to the people in the continental US of A. So sorry, unless you just have to have a US mailing address, and I'll mail it to that address. YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. This is just me, stuff that I've bought or gotten in boxes or bought myself. You know, it's just me giving away some cool stuff to celebrate my birthday. And I hope that you'll read more below about the contest and the giveaway with more detailed rules. So I'm so excited. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice. And we'll see you real soon.